Hello lovely people, welcome back to yet another exciting tutorial upload. Today we are designing this timeline slideshow in PowerPoint. If this is your first time of coming across any of my videos, please do well to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you wouldn't miss any of our uploads. Without wasting much time, let us jump right into the business for today. Go to Insert tab, go to Picture and insert a picture. Well, I'll pick this picture. Adjust it to fit the slide. Now right click on the picture, go to Picture Format. Now go to Picture Corrections, to brightness and set it to -78. Go back to Insert and then insert a text box. Type in your text, which is timeline, and adjust it to the top. Make a new slide, change this color to black. Go to insert the text box and then type in your text. Go to Shapes and insert a circle. Position it at the bottom. Change its shape fill to white. Now duplicate the slide, and then in the next slide, you change your text as you want. Move the circle to the top, and then repeat the same process and make as many slides as you wish. Now in every subsequent slide, you adjust the circle to the bottom or the up position. Go to the first slide, go to Insert, go to Shapes and then pick a line. Draw it at the center, change its color to white, and then also increase the width. Go back to Insert, go to Zoom, go to Slide Zoom. Pick the second slide, insert it to the first, click on the slide, go back to Zoom, Zoom border, move the outline, and click on Zoom background. Now adjust the slide on the line. Go back to the Insert tab again, Zoom, Slide Zoom, then insert the next slide. Go to Zoom, go to Zoom border, and then click on No Outline. Click on Zoom background to remove the background of the slide. Now adjust it on the line. Repeat the same process for the remaining slides. and then our design is ready. Click on present, then we are good to go. We have our timeline slide, as easy as that. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section, and I'd also do well to tell us the next tutorial you're interested in. Like this video, tell a friend about us. Thank you very much for watching our tutorial video.